If you want to get the AI dynamic wallpaper on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case we need to go to settings. Now once you open settings, in here we should be able to scroll down a little bit and then go to personalization. Once you open personalization, then in here we should be able to find the AI dynamic wallpapers option. And also you need to use a Xiaomi account in order to be able to use that feature. So you can also just sign in with your Google account. This is definitely the easiest way to do so. And once you open AI dynamic wallpapers, here we have the start button. We have a couple of AI generated wallpapers already. So if you want to, you can just select them and you can apply the wallpaper to the lock screen, home screen, or both. Or you can use the plus button in the bottom right corner. Of course, you want to grant access for the app to the gallery. And in here, we should be able to choose whichever photo you want to use as which is going to be used to generate an animation. So let me just actually take a photo. All right, I'm gonna choose this photo as an example. Grant all the necessary permissions. Over here, you can make some small adjustments. And then we should be able to use the apply button in the top right corner in order to generate the dynamic wallpaper with AI. Hopefully I can actually do that. If it doesn't work, you might want to just go back and try to select your photo again. There we go, we are now analyzing the photo. And of course we can use the generate button. Now we need to wait for the AI to create the wallpaper, or actually the animation, based on the reference that we have provided in here. You can also tap on finish in background if you want to do some other stuff in the meantime. Once it is ready, you should be able to choose if you want to set it for the lock screen, home screen, or both. So let's say I'm gonna choose both, and then we should be able to see the animation. Of course, if you are satisfied, you can just apply the wallpaper on your phone, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.